Yes, good morning everyone. This morning we are going to discuss something on topic two, that is the relationship between geography and other subjects. And Geography relates with most subjects we taught in high school, like mathematics, history, biology, physics. We have chemistry, agriculture, meteorology, and geology. So, with that matter, we all know geography as a study of interrelationship between human and its environment. Now, we want to look to it deeply. How does geography relate to other subject, and how does geography itself require knowledge of other subject for its functionality, and how does other subjects also relate to geography, and how do they require geographical knowledge in their conceptability? Now we want to start with the mathematics. We know that mathematics deals with the calculation of concepts, and how does this now relate to geography? And we now look at that mathematics involves mathematical techniques that are used in drawings, graph, piece of charts. Mathematical formula are also used in geography to calculate distance, areas, population density, and population densities. Now, we will use mathematical formulas to calculate and to draw. Like when we want to calculate the population density in geography, we will use mathematical. When we want to calculate the distance in geography, we will use mathematical concept. Or the same way, when we want to draw graphs or pie charts or maps, we will use mathematical concept and techniques to draw those maps and graphs in geography. And that's how maths and geography relate. Number two is history. History uses geographical tools like maps, charts, graphs to show where past events took place, like the movement of people in the past. What we are being told today that people used to move, we were not there, but we can use maps, charts by geographers that were used by initial geographers so that it can help us to learn how people do move from one place to another. Thus, the concept of past history is how geography now relates with the history as a subject. Number three is biology. Geography explains the distribution of organisms and factors influencing the distribution of life surface. We know that geography deals with the interrelationship between human and its activities, while biology, on the other, is the study of life. And what is life? Is the human being on nature. Human being on existence brings the relationship between one community to another. Now that's how they borrow ideas. As geography studies the interrelationship between them and their existence, and biology studies the human life, and geography helps in explaining the distribution of organisms and other factors that influence the distribution. Why is it that from in one strategic place we have plants while other places are dry? Now they borrow that ideas in studying the distribution and factors that affect the distribution. And the number four is physics. As we use that, geography uses physics principles and formulas to calculate and describe aspects such as magnetic field, gravity, vibration of the Earth's etc. Yeah, like earthquake in geography, we will use to know the intensity. You will need to know the intensity of the earthquake. We will use the physics knowledge to for us to calculate the intensity of the earthquake. Hmm. Number three, it's chemistry. Geography applies chemistry in studying chemical composition and chemical changes which take place in soil and rocks. Yeah, we have a topic in geography that is rocks and minerals. We'll use and we'll be more in need of the chemistry knowledge. You want to have the chemistry knowledge for you to understand this topic, rocks, very well. To in For you to know the chemical composition of rocks and soil substances. The relationship between geography and agriculture. And geography studies farming system, their distribution, factors affecting farming activities, while agriculture itself, it's the activities being carried out by human being, like farming. Now they borrow the idea how what are the factors affecting farming, and that's what is really being done in geography. Because in geography topic, in Form 4 we have a topic called agriculture. Now, geography and agriculture bore a wide gap of knowledge for the understanding of their categories, and some more so their branches and techniques where how they are being taught. Meteorology, geography uses meteorological information in the study of weather and its classification, climatic region, and mapping them. Yeah, climate is a factor that change. And the meteorology on the other hand, now geography uses meteorological concept to study climate, weather, and the mapping of areas and how they occur in such places. Lastly, we have the geography and rocks. The geography study uses geological knowledge in the study of rocks. As I have just said, there's a topic in that mineral and rocks. Now you will need to the knowledge of geology for you to understand rocks very well. And that's mark the end of our discussion in this topic of relationship between geography and the subject. Have a blessed time.